What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital, good morning. And welcome back to another video on the graph, or the GRT token. Excuse me. Which is one of my favorite projects. It's on my watch list, so I have to say that. Maybe my vision on it is a little bit blurry, or colored at least. And but yeah, so I haven't covered the graph and GRT in quite some time. Which, you know, I like to cover it once in a while. I know some of you actually hold it and are interested in these analysis, so that's always one of the main reasons why I'm doing these. So yeah, I just wanted to take a look at it. Nothing major is going on. I mean, it's just moving along with the market, as you can see, or a little bit more bullish, a little bit more bullish than the market, but not too much. Volume is up a little, but it's still 6.4% of the market cap, which isn't that high. If you don't know the graph, I would definitely suggest checking them out, reading their white paper. I think it's a very good investment over the long term, for the next bull market and stuff. But yeah, so let's get right into the analysis. As I said, I like the project, but this analysis was actually quite tough, because you can see that we're in a very weird situation, because we got this trend line, which we don't know how strong that is yet. I would suppose it's pretty strong, but I'm not sure. And then we've just broken above this whole level, above 10 cents, which is now a major support level. As you can see, we also got that trend line, which isn't major, but still. We got those EMAs. So what's basically happening very quickly already is that we're being we're being pressured in this triangle, which I'm not sure if this triangle is going to hold. I'm really not sure, because I actually think it's more likely that will just stay above 10 cents, maybe get pressure down a little bit, but as long as Bitcoin stays above 21,000, I don't think 10 cents is going to break. The graph is already relatively low compared to other cryptos and compared to the bottom at the 12th of May. I don't think that low of a level is going to break, but I could be wrong. If 10 cents breaks, I mean, we're dropping down to 9 cents. Right, which would be the local bottom. That would be the bottom we had, and it would definitely not be great, but that is the reality we have to face. I just don't think it's going to break. I think we're going to consolidate between 10 cents and holding that 10 cents level, and then we might get pressured down by that trend line, but I don't think that trend line is going to make us break down below 10 cents. I think we're going to break that trend line at one point of time, and then the main resistance level is this level here, between 11 or like around 11.5 cents, which will also have this 200 EMA, which is a very strong resistance level most of the time. So there, I mean, obviously, if we're not able to break above 11.5 cents, somewhere within the next few weeks, we're going to drop down to 9 cents. That's just inevitable. I don't think this trend line is going to be enough. But if that 200 EMA also gets into the mix, I don't think we'll be able to. So the main thing and the most interesting thing to actually think about is if the graph can actually get over that 11.5 cents area. Then we still haven't broken above the full key area right here. As you can see, most of the times the 24th and the 26th of June found resistance a little bit higher at 12 cents. But I think in this case, breaking above 11.5 cents would actually be enough to propel us above 12 cents and to get all the way up to 12.5 and 13 cents. But what we would need for something like that to happen, in my opinion, is a more bullish market. So we don't necessarily need Bitcoin to have some sort of a bullish breakout, but we would need Bitcoin around 22,000 and between 22 and 22,500. If that happens, I think the graph can do something like this. If that doesn't happen, and Bitcoin starts to drop down to 19,000 and under 21,000 and stuff again, then we are probably going to get pushed down from that 11.5 cents area down towards 9 cents, which I don't think the graph deserves, but that is the harsh reality, at least how I see it. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on the graph right now. Stay positive about it, because in the long term, I think it's going to be fine. So that was my analysis. If you do have any questions, please let me know. For now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in the next videos. Bye.